It's your boy J Will back with another video. This video today is still a case study I'm running on this tendencies product. I'm gonna show you guys the results for today. I already showed you guys my results from yesterday. Let's get into it. Okay, so today you see we made one conversion at 180 bucks today. Let's get it. Go to digistore, log in. Let's see if that matches. As you can see today, 180. Yesterday, 305. All right, let's jump into our campaign. Let's get it. Okay, so the day total, we receive about 26 clicks out of 365 impressions. Click-through rate is 7.12%. Average cost per click is 71 cents. Today's total spending is 18 bucks and 58 cents. So right now it's only 7:53 Tuesday night. I'm gonna take 180 bucks minus the 18 bucks we spent. A day we're sitting at 162 bucks. Let's go back to Microsoft. Let's put our from Monday to Tuesday. Last 2 days we've been running this campaign. Spent about 32 bucks total. Let's go Click Magic, custom range from yesterday and today. So far we earned about 485 bucks. We take 485 bucks minus the $32 we spent. So far this week we're sitting at 453 bucks. All right, so we see our profit for the last 2 days. So far we're sitting very good for the week. All right, now let's go and see what made us that sale. This the sale right here. It came from Canada, someone with a mobile phone. So you got to find his IP address, 4754188. Let's go here. 4754188 right here. Click right here. So you can see the sale, 180. How to stop ringing in ears is what they typed in. Fast. How to start ringing in ears fast. M stands for mobile. The loan number right there is the ad ID number. So what we can do is go digistore transactions. So you can see the transactions. It says Canada. It all matches up. This is what the landing page I created real quick. Let me show you guys. From my Google ad, I use the same landing page to see if it works. And it does. I put best cure for tinnitus, how to stop ringing in ears. Sonaville for tinnitus. And here we go. And that's the end of the website. That's all it shows, my landing page. So as you guys can see, I can keep running this campaign for you guys to show you guys just a case study for a week and see how this does. But as you can see, this worked. I'm 100% authentic. Show you guys everything, how I made money, how I lost money. In this case, we're making good money. Almost 500 bucks for the week. So, very important. If you guys are located in the United States, comment below and let me know, because I have a business opportunity for you guys on this mailing system. Easy money, just mailing out postcards. Only costs 50 bucks to get started. I will leave my link below to get started if you guys are interested. I will also make a video on how that works too next after this video. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.